Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to add a rigged model to your real tag fan game. This is not going to show you how to make a model, it's going to show you how to rig one, which I've actually found pretty simple. So the first thing you're going to want to do, you want to click, you want to make sure you're in object mode, you want to click add, and you want to click armature. Nothing should show up, and that's fine yet. And then you want to go to this little running man icon, and you click viewport display, and you want to click in front. And then something should show up. And now you want to put this in like the center between your arms. So like you want to put this like around the middle of your arm, so that when you make bones around your arm for the arm to move, you want to make sure that that is oh crap, wait, did I move something? Yeah, I didn't mean to do that. And make sure that's like in the center of your body and stuff. Move it down a bit. That's what I want to do. And then you can go to tab to go into edit mode. And then you want to make sure you're right in front of it, like this, by pressing this little X on the little thing. And you want to click E and create a new bone. And now this one's going to be the neck, so just make it around size of a neck. You don't really, you want to try not to tilt it, but if it tilts a bit, that's fine. You can click E again and make a head bone. And then click E again. Now, a lot of people tell you that you need to make bones on the right of this. That's going to mess up your model, and then your arms will be kind of wonky. So you want to click E, and you want to put it on the left side. And yeah, E, and you want to make an upper arm, a lower arm, and a hand. And once you have those, now let's rename them. So you got to click on this, and F2 to rename. Call the first bone root. Call the second bone that we made, which is the neck, the really small one. Call that neck. Call this one on the head. Call this one shoulder, between the neck and the upper arm. Call this one up. Oh, don't do that. I clicked 2. Oh my god. I'm gonna click upper, or yeah, click on that. Rename upper arm, and F2 rename lower arm. Click on this to rename it, and hand. And now we have our bones named. So next you want to click on this little spear right here, and you want to go on to this side of the model, like this side, and you want to click E again, and you want to make it around this size. It doesn't have to be too big or too small. And you just want to do the same thing, but with that sphere this time, and make it around the same size. If you can't make it the same size, it's fine, but make it around the same size as that one. And now you want to click on this bone here, and you want to click on, oh, don't do that. You want to click on this bone, uncheck deform, and this one, click uncheck deform, and Alt P, clear parent, Alt P, clear parent. And now you want to go back in here, make sure you have this bone selected, click GX, and you want to put this bone out a bit, maybe a bit farther. Maybe about like this, and that's good. And now you wanna click on this one, F2 rename, and you wanna call this IK target, and you wanna call this one IK pull. Perfect. And now what you wanna do, you wanna go into pose mode from here, and you wanna click on the lower arm, and then you wanna go to this little bone with the ring around it. Click add bone constraint, inverse kinematics, or whatever that says. Target, armature, bone, IK target, pull target, armature, bone, IK pull. And if this happens to your model, it's fine. Set the chain length to 2, and that should fix it. And yeah, that's all you have to do for that one. Click on the hand, click add bone constraint, click copy rotation, click in and where it says invert, click XY, target, armature, bone, IK target, and make target where it says world space, make that local space, and make both of these local space. And perfect. Now, as you can see, if we're in pose mode and we click on the IK target, click G, our model moves like this, and it's perfect. So, and now we're just gonna do the same thing on the other side. So you want to go back in the edit mode, into edit mode, and you want to click on all of these arm bones that we added, which include the IK pull, IK target, hand, lower arm, upper arm, and the shoulder. And then you want to click on armature up here. Click names, auto name left and right, and armature, and you want to click symmetrize. And now just this doesn't have to be perfect. You can adjust it in a second, but just rotate this around 180 degrees and move all of this to this side. And now you just want to align it. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just align it well enough to where it's still a functioning model, and that seems about good. A lot of people get way too picky with this and spend like an hour of their time doing this. And you want to click on this little chest thing right here and straighten this in the middle. And now, if we go in the pose mode, like both of these RK targets, these work on both sides. Yay! Make sure you click Control Z when you're done messing with it. And now what we want to do, now we're going to make it so that these armature bones move the model. So you want to go back into object mode, and you want to select all of your model body parts like this in the hierarchy or collection, I guess. And then click, doesn't matter which bone, just click one bone on the armature, and then do Control P, and with automatic weights. Now go into pose mode, click on the IK target, and the model moves. It's perfect. And yeah, now we have this. And now what you want to do, you want to click File, Export. You want to click FBX, and you want to add this to whatever models folder you have. I'm just gonna put it in my documents. I'm gonna call this tutorial model, and perfect. And now you want to go into your Unity project or wherever, and you want to import your model. I'm gonna put it in my models. Import new asset. I'm gonna documents and tutorial model. There it is. And I'm not gonna do it this way. I'm gonna put it in my photon so that it is so that it shows up in here. And now what you want to do, I'm gonna go ahead and hide this. Actually, I'm gonna keep it there for just there. But if you don't have a model yet, you should have the default photon model. You want to kind of align your model. Don't delete your default photon model just yet. You want to kind of align your you want to drag your model in wherever it is. Like what's tutorial model? You want to drag tutorial model, rotate it to thing, and you want to kind of align it with the default photon model. And by the way, I know this model has hands. I just delete them. And yeah, just align that with whatever default model you have. And then what you want to do, you want to go to my Discord and get the fast IK fabric script. And I'm just gonna hide. I'm gonna hide this one real quick. And what you want to do, you want to unpack this prefab, and you want to put this on the what am I saying? Put this under head. And now what you want to do, you want to go down here, and you want to click armature, root, and you want to go down on both of these until you reach the hands. And then you want to go scripts, and you want to drag fast AK fabric on both of these hands. On hand left, you want to do target, and you want to drag left hand right here onto target and pull. You want to make that IK pull left. And right hand or hand right, make the target right hand, and then this IK pull right. And now it should work if you have your model under head. And that's really all you need to make. That's really all you need to do to make a model that a working model in your Gorilla Tag fan game. I hope this helped you. Make sure to subscribe, join the Discord if you want the scripts to make this. And yeah, comment what tutorials I should do next, and subscribe. Hope you guys have an amazing day. Goodbye.